Send one of us to the hospital, probably.
All right, so we just got back from 7 stock and now we're recouping. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the cover off this, I guess, donor car, and we'll show you what we're planning to do with it. Oh, just look at that, beautiful.
Well, let's start off by trying to turn the motor and make sure we're still.
All right. Motor still looks like it turns over, huh?
Yeah, we got it, so there's hope.
All right. So the plan is to pull the motor, drivetrain out of this, and any other parts that we could salvage off of this. And what we're gonna do is put it in this bad boy. That will be our new Rotary Lounge club car. So the motor's blown on this one.
This one's gone, yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna try to take 2 engines out and put 1 in.
In one day?
Kind of half a day.
Be able to put that piece back in.
I told you that's what happened.
Oh, it's not even that. It's just. I didn't know.
Hey Yuri, before you do that, tell us what you're about to do.
Send one of us to the hospital, probably. I'm about to cut this thing out. Let's see what happens.
Yesy. I think it's safe to say we won't be using that harness anymore. Very good. What are we doing right now?
We're gonna put a RacingBeat header on this. Renaissance here. And put it back in the club car.
And we're doing that because the header's easier to do all the motors out, yeah?
This will save us a lot of time.
Yeah, we like that.